My name is Raph.
My name's
This is
Ricky.
what the Yo, what up guys? My name is Raph. Welcome to my YouTube channel, 37 Bill.
Ray John Beats, baby.
Great John on the beat, by the way. She look gorgeous on the wake up, bad little bitch fucked up her makeup.
We're putting it on today.
You lying. Damn. That was... Man's the GOAT, bro. He out here grinding, bro, like crazy. You see that build, bro? It's gonna be crazy, bro.
This is my Cyclone Mustang. It's been a garage, or I should say a jack stand queen for the past 3 years. But it's finally time we finish her up and get her back on the road. I hit a deer 3 years ago and fucked up the frame over here. And we ended up doing a tubular front end. Shout out Ricky, who helped in the welding. But yeah, it's time to install the Procharged. And hopefully soon we'll get her turned back on. No, yeah, but I don't think I ever removed those. So you see how this pulley goes here?
Yeah.
The belt goes crank pulley.
Look at all these burnouts.
Oh, it goes under the fixed pulley or the fixed item.
Todo quemadón de llantas, bro. ¿Verdad, Rafa?
Too many to count.
Too many. Demasiado.
This thing's been abused.
No tengo puntería, güey. Oh. Blown, bro.
Tiene puntería el camarada. This belt is shorter than the original one that comes with the kit.
Oh, okay.
But the reason why it's shorter is because this isn't the original pulley. I went with a smaller one. So I'm reducing the belt size. That way I don't max out the tensioner. But this thing, I guess, is pretty small if it's already getting a little tight. No, but seriously, guys, if you like car-related content, racing, tuning, detailing, anything like that, give a like, comment, and subscribe.